If you're just beginning with latte art, a heart is the place to start. I'm going to show you how to pour 3 different hearts from beginner to advanced using MILKLAB alternative oat milk. The reason you start with the heart is it's the foundation for all major latte art patterns like the tulip and the rosetta. A lot of people try to skip to those more complex patterns without mastering the heart, but trust me, if you master the heart, the rest will come easily. We're going to start with the most simple heart. First, you want to start with your shot. You need to make sure that you swirl it to make sure that your crema is smooth and workable. If you don't, sometimes the crema can be a bit clumpy and ruin your art. Then you also want to swirl your milk to make sure that your milk is silky and homogeneous. If you don't swirl it, it can separate and become too thick. Next, ensure that your cup is tilted on an angle like this, and what this does is it allows you to get nice and close to the crema with the tip of your jug. The closer you are to the crema, the more white is going to appear. If your cup is flat, you can't get close to the crema because you can see that your jug just crashes into the edge there. When you start pouring, you want to pour from around 5 centimeters away in a thin stream. What this does is it allows your milk to fall through the crema and leaves a beautiful brown canvas on the top for you to pour your art on. Then, once you're half full to 3/4 full, you want to stop and you want to lower the tip of your jug as close to the crema as you can. You want to pour just in front of the center of your cup. Then speed up your pour and you'll see that the white starts to appear in your cup and it will circulate around the edges. Control how much white is appearing with how quickly you pour and with momentum. Then stay in the same position until you're almost full, lift your jug into a thin stream and pull through to create that heart pattern. This is your basic heart or a cute little bum, whatever you want it to be. Once you have a handle on the basic heart, you can move on to the next one, which is called the wavy heart. And this is going to be the basis for a rosetta as well. For this, you want to do everything the same for the start. You want to tilt your cup, pour in a thin stream from 5 centimeters away, and then stop and lower the tip of your jug to the crema. But this is where it gets different. Once the white starts appearing, you want to wriggle your wrist from left to right to create this wavy pattern. If you hold your milk jug by the handle, I find you get a more fluid wave. If you hold it by the actual jug itself, you're going to get a more precise wave. So play around and see what works best for you. Then, just before you're full, you want to stop wiggling so that you fill the center of your heart, lift into a thin stream, and pull through. And finally, the most complex heart, the slow wavy heart. This one takes a bit more precision when pouring your milk. You pour in the exact same way as you would for the wavy heart, but once your white starts appearing, you want to really slowly move your hand from left to right, creating a really defined and precise pattern. Then, once you're full, fill the heart again and pull through. Master these techniques and you're going to have a great foundation for pouring both a rosetta and a tulip. Subscribe to the channel for more alternative milk tips and tricks, and make sure to check out the rest of our Barista Basics series with MILKLAB. Coffee up.